mathematics was discovered. Why?
I think math was invented.
I think it was discovered. Invented.
It was discovered through trial and error, I guess.
I think that mathematics was invented mostly because I assume that as people needed a way of organizing things or classifying things, they figured out a way.
You can't just make up like 1 + 1. Like, well, first of all, how do you know like 1 is 1? Like,
I think that math was discovered because math represents a lot of patterns in nature and patterns that just happen, naturally. Like
this is 1, this is 1. You know that it's 2. Like you can't make that up. Like it has to have like a theory behind it.
I think math was discovered because an invention is an object that you could hold or touch.
I don't know.
I have to say discovered, because we see math throughout all of nature.
The earliest thing I remember from my history math class is they discovered area of farms when they realized they needed to figure out how much farmland they had, and they had to divvy up the space among their farms. So they found the easiest way to do that is finding the length and the width of the farms.
Math.
You can't invent math.
I think some of the math principles were observed and therefore discovered, and consequently they invented formulas to resolve the relationships. For instance, principles of gas laws. The properties of gas laws were probably discovered by observation, and then the formulations resulted in an equation which they invented. The relationship between volume and pressure would be an indirect relationship, and the relationship between volume and temperature of a gas would be a direct relationship. Those were direct observations, and then the equation to solve those problems were invented.
And that's what I believe about mathematics.